So the Alphabet investors want Sundar Pichai fired from the post of Google CEO. But why? What Sundar Pichai did wrong? And if Sundar Pichai get fired, then who would be the next CEO of Google? Why investors want Sundar Pichai fired?
The tech giant's series of mishaps have become a recent talking point, and Google CEO Sundar Pichai is facing the heat.
So Sundar Pichai became the CEO of Google in 2015. At that time, the Google's revenue was around $75 billion, which increased to $305 billion in 2023. And Google's stock share price also increased by 10 times. Sundar Pichai made Google a very profitable company. But why are the Google's investors now talking about the Sundar Pichai's exit from the company?
This is all thanks to Google's AI tool, Gemini. It was basically designed to be the most advanced generative AI model. It was supposed to kickstart the real generative AI boom. However, recent events have shattered those dreams for Google.
So OpenAI launched ChatGPT in 2022, and Google lost billions of dollars because of this AI tool ChatGPT. After that, the Google investors started wanting Google to beat OpenAI in terms of innovation of AI. And OpenAI was supported by Microsoft, so it was very difficult to defeat them. However, Sundar Pichai tried his best and launched his Google Bard AI against ChatGPT in 2023. But it was exactly the opposite of what Google had thought. Because Google Bard looked like a child in front of ChatGPT and it was just a copy. Actually, Google Bard had many shortcomings due to which it failed. Then Google shares dropped $100 billion because of all the Google Bard mistakes. They lost $100 billion, that's a lot of money. Then Sundar Pichai tried to improve Google Bard, and after much improvements, a new version of Google Bard was launched, which was named Gemini.
Behind it, Sam Altman. Then it was Google's turn. They launched a chatbot called Bard in December, which was renamed Gemini.
Unfortunately, Gemini made Google's problem worse rather than solving them. Actually, when a user asked Gemini to generate an image of George Washington, it generated this image. Of course, he is white, but in this image, he is looking so dark. Then back to back, Gemini generated many wrong images. Then finally, Google removed the text to image features from the Gemini. And that's not enough, Gemini called the Prime Minister Narendra Modi a fascist. Really, and it made a huge controversy on internet. And Gemini made mistakes after mistakes. Then Google lost around $97 billion. And of course, the Google investors did not like this at all. So they started talking about removing Sundar Pichai as a CEO. And after Sundar Pichai, Sergey Brin can be the next CEO of Google. But who knows what's going to happen? So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me. I will see you in the next video.